Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Data Structure Fundamentals 2 Mat2 Answer 10. Okay, so first question is, what is a priority queue? Okay, so uh, priority queue is nothing but just nothing but a normal queue, uh, but like it depends, like when we enter the element we also enter the priority of the element. So for example, let's say if it is a normal queue, then I entered 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So when I try to pop it out, the 1 I would get 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 in sequence, right? So 1, 2, 3 and 4, this would be the sequence. But let's say if it is a priority queue, then what I would need to do is, with the number that I am inputting, I would input a priority. This is the data and this is the priority. Okay, so like 1 would have priority of 1, then 2 would have priority of 1, and 3 would have priority of 5, then the 4 would have priority of 3. So if I enter the data with this, then the element with the highest priority would come out first, right? So when I try to pop, the 3 would come out first at first position, then 4 would come out in second, then 1 would come out on third position and 2 would come out on fourth position, because their both priorities are equal. So like it would follow the normal queue sequence, like the one that entered first will get exited first. So that's a priority queue. And the second question is, what are the real-time application of queues and priority queues? Okay, so for task scheduling, queues and priority queues are used. For example, let's say if I'm making a game and let's say it's a Sims kind of game, right? So I've entered, okay, now first make something, then do some other stuff, then third one that do this, and after fourth one do this, and like it's a sequential, right? So like if it is a normal queue that I'm using, then it would be like, okay, now do the first task that was entered, then do the second task, then do the third task, then do the fourth task, and it's like that. But if we are using a priority queue in the same situation, right, for task scheduling in a game, so game like a Sim, then let's say when I say, okay, wash the dishes, but it has a very low priority, right? Because we can wash them later. And then another thing would say, okay, go on a job, and it has a higher priority, right? So he would complete the go on a job task first, like do this something, and that is a more priority, it would complete it, and then it would wash the my character would wash the dishes. So that's how I can use queues and priority queues in a like real time applications, right? In our case we are talking about a game, so I can use queues or priority queues. And another one would be to like it says that Dijkstra's algorithm uses queues or priority queues to like find the shortest path. So I guess that would be another application, right? A-star algorithm also uses the queues or priority queues, I heard. So I'm not entirely sure about it, but I've heard it. So I guess this is it. Thank you.